my skin.
Beneath my skin.
Beneath my skin, I'm strong and brave. To my younger self, there's nothing wrong with you. It's just, your brain just works differently.
Unveil your true self and let your spirit ignite. In this quest for truth, this is the fight for your life. Unleash your power, define your own story, and embrace uniqueness and bask in the glory. Live your journey and unlock what's within.
Past year, I just learned about my ability to problem solve and communicate.
I used to be kept to myself a lot. I kept to myself so much in kindergarten that my teacher thought I was mute.
I always thought I was an antisocial person because I didn't really go out a lot in middle school. But in high school, I started making more friends because I went to a different school, and I realized I like being around people.
I had a desire, I had a passion, and I think I was just really nervous of other people's opinions or how uncomfortable it was going to be at first. Beneath my skin, I am improving.